Right now, you're watching the very first video on my brand new second YouTube channel. And the reason why I started it might be the exact reason your channel isn't growing. Now, before you think that I'm crazy, here's the deal. This isn't about me loving punishment or wanting twice the work. This is an experiment, a big one. And if you've ever wondered why your channel isn't growing, you're going to want to see exactly how this plays out. This isn't about me starting over. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why my first channel has been stalling, but it's going to keep going once I do this, and why this second one might just prove everything you've heard about YouTube growth right, or maybe wrong, depending on which guru that you're following. My first channel was built to host my health, tech, and wellness podcast. On paper, the way I started it, it made sense. I wanted to pay forward all the health tips that I've used to fix my own health, both mentally and physically. I also love tech, and I thought combining those things would help people live healthier, happier lives and cast a wider net. So I mixed them together. One video, I'd review Riverside FM, talking about how it makes podcasting completely stress free. The next one would be an episode on mindset and balance. I'd throw in random gear reviews because, hey, I'm a tech nerd. Here's the problem: people who clicked for the tech didn't care about the health, and people who clicked for health didn't care about the tech. It's like inviting vegans to a second barbecue after serving them tofu burgers the first time, and then only serving steak the next time that they're there. Somebody's going home hungry. And YouTube, the algorithm hated it. When my health content went to tech viewers, no one clicked. When my tech videos went to wellness seekers, they'd click off in 10 seconds. My click through rate completely tanked. My watch time dropped. And YouTube basically said, we don't know who this channel's for, so we're not recommending it. 8 months in, 308 subscribers, videos averaging under 100 views. I wasn't building an audience, I was building confusion. And confusion kills channels. So I made the call. Instead of smashing two audiences together, I'm giving each other their own space. The original channel stays 100% health and wellness, with only health focused tech that actually belongs there. And this channel, John H. Adams Media, this is where I get to go and geek out on all the other tech: cameras, mics, YouTube growth, content creation, gear, all of it. And I'll be reviewing this brand new mic that I'm talking to you on right now here in the future. Same creator, though, same gear, except for the brand new mic, and same passion. But now each channel speaks directly to the people who actually care about the content. My first channel retains its why. And here's where it all gets fun. This is now a real time experiment. The question is simple: can a brand new niche focused channel grow faster than an 8 month old channel that's just now finding its focus? And better yet, will both channels benefit from this experiment? Starting today, I'm documenting everything: what works and what doesn't, and how YouTube actually reacts when a creator finally gives it clarity. So, whether you're a creator struggling with growth, thinking about starting a channel, or just curious how this whole algorithm thing really works, you're about to get answers in real time. And here's the thing: if I'm right, then a lot of creators are wasting months, maybe years, on the wrong strategy. And if I'm wrong, you'll get to watch me fail publicly, step by step. But even then, my health and wellness channel will finally have its own identity. Either way, you win, because you'll know exactly what actually works or why it doesn't. So here's my ask: subscribe right now, because subscribing doesn't just mean following along, it means you'll literally be part of the experiment. Every view, every comment, every click, it's all part of the data. Miss a video and you're going to miss an entire piece of the puzzle. And if you're into health and wellness, my other channel's still alive and it's going to be doing well. And I'm going to drop a link right down in the description. But if you're here for tech, gear, and YouTube growth, then you're in the right place. So let's find out together. Am I crazy, or am I finally awake? The experiment starts now. And as always, stay healthy, stay balanced, and keep driving forward. I'll see you next time.